Okay, here we are at the 60 Acre Park. It's about 45 degrees.
Let me know when you're ready.
There's Keith and Christopher's over there. Okay, go for lunch.
Okay, clear. Clear. Sky is clear. I'm asleep. Lights ready. Heads up. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Let's see where the wind carries it.
It's a screamer. It'll come back to us.
No, it's just a crappy plastic Estes parachute.
Yeah, I hate those plastic sheets. That's carried it more that way than I would have expected. Good.
Yeah. More to the north, right? North? No, north. No, that's more to the east. Yeah. Yeah, I need to take the parachute out and stretch it out before I put it in there. Ho hum, another day in Hawaii. Oh wait.
This is in Hawaii. There are no days like this in Hawaii. There you go. You can get my rebuilt humdinger.
Oh, it's the same one. What's
No,
that for continuity?
It's its cousin.
Oh, it's a cousin.
But it's been smashed and unsmashed and re-smashed, and it will not fly anything close to straight.
Oh my goodness! Hello!
Oh, no dogs allowed. Who are these? They belong to anyone you know?
Yeah, those two over there.
Okay.
I think
Well, not.
they escaped their masters.
Oh my
They
goodness!
are very down on dogs in here.
Oh.
Okay. I am...
Oh,
wait for the dogs
to come out.
Go get him!
Did they come apart?
There they go.
Go get him!
What? They could retrieve our rockets for us.
Yeah.
2, 1.
Got eyes on the
Booster.
booster. But I just lost the sustainer.
Alright, we got a monochrome wonder here.
Actually,
There it is.
showing up in the screen.
Eh.
That was a nice slow launch.
I think I got it.
It looked like it had a lot of weight.
Nice.
3, 2, 1, launch.
A little weathercocking.
I had put it. You ever seen?
Oh, something fell off.
Not the base!
You want to get it, Christopher? Or you want me to get it?
Alright, there we go. Didn't have anything on the altimeter, but we lost the nose cone. Oh, still have the cam. Fortunately, the nose cone is shiny.
3, 2, 1, launch.
Really upset that there was no two-stage Nike Ajax kit, so I made one. Alright. 3, 2, 1.
That was a great whoosh. A little more motion, right?
See, every time I launch it with a C, it does that, but every time I launch it with a D or an E, it goes up straight as an arrow. I think it's that it's not going fast enough by the time...
Oh, it does seem to be perfectly intact.
Yeah, every single time that happens, it just parachute comes out and it just flutters to the ground.
Okay.
Hey, fire when ready, sir.
Okay.
We'll speak out.
3, 2, 1, fire.
Beautiful. Bye-bye. Anyone have it? There it goes, I see it.
Yay!
It's screening.
Yeah, well, open, shoot. Well, that's okay.
Shoot is
This wind,
through.
I'm just as happy.
Shoot is bye-bye.
Oh, I can see shroud lines.
Yeah.
Hey!
I love it when that happens.
Oh,
Hey, who needs a Jolly Logic?
I connected the right one.
oh.
That was 3, 2, 1, launch.
Yeah, that's almost what mine did, except for it like did
Yeah.
a 90-degree turn.
It doesn't like the cam, I probably.
So my nose cone popped off with the altimeter.
Oh,
so
I
the
found it, and every
Oh,
one
wow.
of these leaves on the ground looks like a nose cone, you know. Anyway, 810 feet.
810. No, I guess the altimeter is just busted. I'll get video though.
Thank you. It's about time.
I cannot see that.
If the camera doesn't know.
Cheap plastic chutes never open.
Yeah, that's what. And what motor?
G74.
Nice.
It's a nice thing about advertisements on Facebook is that on like Reddit,
Is this supposed to do that?
they can't deactivate the comments on Facebook. So whenever someone makes like a
So it's a
comment,
rejection?
Yes.
This will end in tears. It doesn't usually. Yeah, you know it's a vote of confidence when I immediately get the camera out.
Yeah. Actually, I want someone to take my picture with this monster. Okay, we're safe? Safe? I can't even get the thing to launch when I want it to.
Yeah.
With this.
Hold on, you gotta get that new age young
Yeah.
kid shot.
Yeah, I gotta get the 45, man.
Pretty good. Okay,
All
ready?
right, continuity.
Ready? Sky's clear, range is clear, we're all insane. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Nice.
Ow.
I love that roar. Come on, parachutes. Oh,
Oh man, you
Oh, it's gonna
crammed
side
it in
slip.
there.
oh, that's gonna be painful. Oh, that was painful.
It's okay, Ken.
I've done it, I've heard it before, I'll do it again.
You're a master of repairing rockets.
No one was injured, so.
What did we call this? A hope and a prayer?
It's called oh shit, Ken's launching a rocket.
Oh, that's fair.
And there's got to be a run cam around here somewhere.
Oh, this one?
There you go. Thank you. And that turned itself off too. Oh, you're working. That's not good. Anyway.
Entirely fixable.
Yeah. All I gotta do is cut that off and replace this.
Yeah, that is
This is the hard part and it's fun. But
one spent Christmas paper roll away from being fixed.
Alki Point. And here we have
We're suffering.
the Olympics. They painted the Space Needle orange again. It's kind of that original burnt orange color.